Okay, here's the last one. The last video here, video number 4, right? We got notes again, right? You're hopefully printed this out. If not, pause it, copy the diagram, copy the directions. Okay, and you have the ability to pause and rewind and do all that. Okay, notes. For those of you that printed it out, here we go, video 4, or notes part 4. Again, we're a continuation of the segment addition postulate. So far, pretty easy, right? I mean, if you can do the easy problems, then you can do the medium problems. And then here's just another little twist. It's not really anything different. You're really not going to do anything different. You just got to pay attention to what they're asking you to find. See, these look like the other ones where you're solving for x, but you're still going to have to do that. But they're asking you now to find a particular length, you see? So once I have the value of x, I'll be able to find the particular length or the measure of that particular segment, right? Here's the question. Here's the question. How long is GF? I don't know. I don't know how long is GF, but as soon as I have a number for x, then I'll be able to tell you. Okay, so we're gonna not even worry about that right now. We're gonna keep doing what we're doing here. We're gonna set up our equation right from the segment addition postulate, from the understanding of that. By looking at this picture, forget about all these numbers. Look at the G, the F, and the E. GF, this first one, and I add or connect it to this second one. GF plus FE adds up to what? The whole length, right? GE. You're still going to do that. We're still doing the same thing. Then we're going to put GF as what? X minus 2 plus FE is X minus 6 equals the whole thing. Do I got to measure for the whole thing? Yeah, 8. So you're still going to do this. You're still going to, no matter what the question is, if it says solve for x, we'll get it. But it's just one little additional step. Anyways, let's continue. I got x minus 2 plus another x and then minus 6 equals 8. I combine like terms on this side of the equation. You're going to get 1x plus 1x is 2x. And a negative 2 with a negative 6 is negative 8 equals 8. All right. And then how do you solve that? Well, add 8 to both sides, right? Don't be guessing answers. Finish the problem all the way. Students are really, really careful on the hard part, but I see them making the silliest mistakes on the easy part. Opposite of negative 8 is plus 8, plus 8. So we really have 2x equals what? 8 plus 8, 16. I got x equals what, right? Divide by 2, divide by 2. X equals 8. Okay. X is equal to 8, but that's not the question. See, the question wasn't solve for x. That was like video 3. These other problems are asking you for a specific measure. Okay? So now, what is GF? They're asking us for GF. Well, GF, if I look up here, GF is this expression, x minus 2, right? This is what it's asking you to find. And I think you already know what you need to do. Well, I just found out that this is 8, x is 8, and so I'm going to put it right there, right? 8, and then take away 2. Well, I think we know what it's going to be, right? 6. Oops, sorry about that. How did I get GF is equal to x minus 2? Right here, look at GF. What's the expression here for GF? Just x minus 2. That's the only one they're asking you to find. I put GF is equal to x minus 2. I just found out that x is 8. I put that there. 8 take away 2. And then I get the answer for GF. All right, one more real quick. Similar. Don't let all this craziness confuse you. You just look at the segment there and write the equation for the segment addition postulate. Always communicate your geometry, your understanding before doing the math. What do I understand from this picture? The segment addition postulate, HI, high, plus, now from I to J, equals this piece plus this piece is equal to what? The whole piece, HJ. Right? Oops, let me zoom in. All right, you guys have it there, but sorry about that. That's a H, that's a I, that's a J. Here's the first segment. Add and connect the second segment to it, the IJ, and that adds up to the whole segment HJ. Now is when I look at all this and I put it here into this equation. HI is 12 plus IJ is this 2x plus 23 equals the whole thing, HJ, well, x plus 24. This is this, this is this, this is this, right? And once I have the right equation and once I substitute everything correctly, the rest is algebra 1. All right, I got some terms I can combine here, right? These numbers, the 2x is by itself, so 12 plus 23 is 35 equals, and here there's nothing to combine, so let's keep it separate. And you learn how to solve multi-step equations. I need to have all the variables on one side of the equal sign. Here's the equal sign. I don't want x's on different sides. I don't want numbers on different sides. So you learn to move all the numbers to one side and then move all the variables to the other side. I'm going to start with this x. I don't want this x here. I'm going to go minus x, minus x. So you'll be left with 2 take away 1 is just 1x, or just x, plus 35 equals 24. See, I got the variables on this side, on the left-hand side. That means I want this number not also here on the left-hand side. I want the numbers going the other way. So that's the opposite of positive 35, negative 35. And we're going to get x equals negative 11. 24 take away 35 is negative 11. Is that the answer? Wow. That's the answer for x, but that's not the answer for this problem. It didn't say solve for x. It said find ij. Right? Make sure we're answering the question for the problem. It's not asking you for x, but we still need it, right? What is ij if I need to find ij? Well, according to this, ij is 2x plus 23. You guys see it here? If ij is 2x plus 23, and I just found this answer for the value of x, I just found out that x is equal to 11. That means that that's going to be 2 times negative 11 plus 23. Sorry, you couldn't see that. Ij is 2x plus 23, right? We got it from up here. We just found that x is negative 11, so I'm going to substitute it here. So that's 2 times negative 11 plus the 23. 2 times negative 11, negative 22, plus 23. Oh, the answer for ij is, well, 23 take away 22. The answer is just 1. All right, that's it. Well, that's how you do it. All right, good luck. Good luck with the worksheet. I hope these notes helped out a lot. It's easy when you get it, okay? Good job.